Time where AI tools are part of our everyday learning, how we use them makes a difference. This short film explores the line between using technology wisely and depending on it too much.
Good morning, everyone. I want to announce who is the top scorer for our previous quiz. And congratulations to our top scorer today, Mr. Cañete.
Ilang score mo?
Ikaw nga lang eh.
Napansin niyo ba? Sa English, talagang refer to ang immediate kasi.
Sabi nila, AI daw ginagamit niya kaya consistent.
Ganun. Kaya pala nagpinag-ibaw.
Okay, for your next assignment, please, I want you to answer the problem set. Make sure to take it seriously. It might show up in the exam. And that's all for today. Thank you, everyone.
Chat GPT pala ah.
Good day, everyone. For our previous problem set, Mr. Cañete and Mr. Anto, perfect score.
Wow, paano mo nagawa yun?
Effort din kasi, konting aral din minsan.
Study naman ako ah.
Chat GPT pala ah.
Anto, perfect score. Perfect score again. Good job.
Boss, di ka mo magsusulat?
Mamaya na, naglalaro pa ako eh.
Ay, si Anto, kain-kaya yan.
Chill lang, may 45 minutes pa naman. Chat GPT pa naman.
Wait, di ka pa ba magsusunod? 15 minutes na lang oh.
Ito na, chill.
Okay, class, what's your papers now? Do your papers? Okay. Okay. This is your final take-home problem set, and study it well. This exam question will come from this for your final exam.
Dami naman ito. Matik, Chat GPT.
Good morning, class. Today is your final exam. Are you excited?
No.
Okay. You only have 1 hour and 30 minutes to finish the exam. No cheating. This exam will reflect what you have learned from this class activity that I have given to you. Again, God bless to all of you.
Parang familiar to ah. Paano nga uli ito?
Di ba? Yun yung sa problem set. Perfect na pangalan.
Now! Mr. Anto, see me in my office now. Mr. Anto, why? I expected better from you. You've always wanted my most promising student. What happened?
Ma'am, kasi po,
Answer me honestly. Perfect na lahat yung problem set and now you got caught cheating?
ma'am, kasi po, pakiramdam ko, palagi akong kulelat eh. Kahit anong effort ko, parang laging may mas magaling. Tapos nakita ko yung iba gumagamit ng AI. So naisip ko, baka makatulong din po sa akin. Nung una, parang okay lang. Pakonti-konti lang. Pero habang tumatagal, parang doon na lang ako nakadepende. Hindi ko na malayan. Gano'n na pala yung nangyari, ma'am. Sorry po.
Mr. Anto, naiintindihan ko naman minsan nakakaramdam ka ng pressure. Okay lang gumamit ng AI pero dapat alam mo ang limit. Kung lahat iasa mo doon, hindi ka natututo. Kinokopya mo lang. AI can help you learn. But if you use it to replace your thinking, you're only cheating yourself. AI tools are meant to assist you, not to replace your effort. But what you did, it wasn't just using technology. It was avoiding learning. And now, what you've gained isn't knowledge. It's just a full sense of achievement. Mr. Anto, always remember, we must use technology wisely because it's here to support us, not to make us rely on it for everything. If we allow AI to take charge of our learning, we risk losing the skills and knowledge that are really important. We should be the ones in control, not the other way around.
Thanks ko po, ma'am. Hindi ko na po ulitin. Sorry po.
I know you'll never do it again, Anto. Remember, AI is a tool. It should never overshadow your own growth and responsibility. Use it to enhance your learning, not to replace it.
Salamat po, ma'am. Next time, I'll do better. Thank you po.
Okay, I know you can do it, Mr. Anto. Okay, you can now leave.
AI is a tool, not a shortcut. Use it to enhance your learning and not to replace it.